Welcome to Technify, your go-to source for the latest tech reviews and comparisons. Today, we're diving into the DJI Avata 3, the newest evolution in DJI's FPV drone lineup. With upgraded performance, cutting-edge features, and an immersive flight experience, could this be the ultimate drone for creators and enthusiasts alike? Stay tuned as we break down everything this drone has to offer. And don't forget to subscribe to Technify, like the video, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest tech reviews. Camera and imaging. The DJI Avata 3 is equipped with a powerful 4K camera that delivers crystal-clear visuals with vibrant colors and stunning detail. Thanks to an upgraded gimbal stabilization system, even during high-speed maneuvers, your footage will remain smooth and cinematic. Its wide dynamic range helps capture intricate details in both bright and shadowed areas, ideal for professional quality shots. With support for various resolutions and frame rates, the Avata 3 is perfect for content creators who want versatility and precision in their footage. Design and build quality. The Avata 3 maintains DJI's signature compact, durable design that's made to endure the demands of FPV flying. Its lightweight frame enhances agility, while reinforced materials provide extra protection against minor bumps during those adventurous flights. The drone's sleek, aerodynamic design minimizes drag, contributing to its impressive performance in the air. LED indicators add a modern touch, and its modular construction allows for easy maintenance and upgrades, making it a practical choice for both hobbyists and professionals. Flight performance. When it comes to flight performance, the DJI Avata 3 truly excels. Its enhanced propulsion system allows for faster speeds and greater maneuverability, enabling dynamic aerial tricks with precision. With a flight time of up to 25 minutes, you'll have ample time to capture stunning aerial footage. The upgraded obstacle avoidance sensors make navigating complex environments safer, and the reliable connectivity ensures smooth control, even in areas where signal interference could be an issue. Whether you're a casual flyer or a seasoned professional, the customizable flight modes allow you to tailor the experience to your skill level and preferences. Advanced FPV experience. Designed for immersive first-person flying, the Avata 3 pairs effortlessly with DJI's latest FPV goggles and controllers. The goggles provide high-resolution live streaming with minimal latency, giving you a real-time, in-the-moment flying experience. The drone also offers different flight modes, such as manual and cinematic, making it suitable for both beginners and advanced pilots. This seamless combination of technology and user-friendly controls makes the Avata 3 a standout in the FPV community. Safety features. Safety is a top priority for the DJI Avata 3. It comes equipped with advanced obstacle detection and avoidance systems that rely on omnidirectional sensors to identify and avoid obstacles in its path. The Return to Home (RTH) function ensures that if the drone loses connection or the battery runs low, it will safely return to its takeoff point. Additionally, geofencing technology prevents the drone from entering restricted zones, keeping you compliant with local regulations and giving you peace of mind during flights. Battery life. The Avata 3's enhanced battery system provides up to 25 minutes of flight time, allowing for longer sessions in the air. Swappable batteries ensure minimal downtime between flights, so you can continue capturing breathtaking footage with ease. Advanced power management systems ensure consistent performance, and fast charging capabilities mean you won't have to wait long to get back in the air. Remote control and connectivity. The Avata 3's remote control system offers precision and ease of use, ensuring smooth and responsive inputs. With an ergonomic design, it's comfortable for extended flying sessions, while customizable buttons give you quick access to essential functions. The drone's improved transmission range allows you to maintain stable connectivity over long distances, making it ideal for exploring expansive landscapes. Through the DJI Fly app, you can adjust settings, view real-time telemetry, and access a live video feed directly on your mobile device. Find My Drone feature. Losing track of your drone can be a concern, but the DJI Avata 3 has you covered with its advanced Find My Drone feature. Using GPS tracking, the app helps locate the drone's last known position, making retrieval simple if it lands out of sight. The drone also emits audible signals to assist with close-range searches, even in dense environments. This functionality ensures you can always recover your drone quickly and efficiently. Review. The DJI Avata 3 is a well-rounded FPV drone, combining advanced features, outstanding performance, and an easy-to-use design. Its rugged build and innovative safety systems make it suitable for both recreational users and professionals. With an upgraded camera, immersive FPV experience, and extended flight time, the Avata 3 delivers impressive value for any aerial enthusiast. Whether you're a seasoned pilot or new to FPV flying, the Avata 3 offers the tools you need to explore the skies with confidence and creativity. Thanks for watching Technify. If you enjoyed this video, share your thoughts in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews, guides, and exciting content. Join the Technify community and stay ahead of the tech game. Until next time, keep exploring, keep innovating, and keep the adventure alive. See you in the next video.